Hello, it's Andrew from Plai, and in this video I will guide you through the process of checking and monitoring analytics for your surveys. As a manager of the survey, go to Survey Manage and click on any of the active surveys, and you will be taken to the survey progress screen where you can see all of the progress. Below is the key info about the survey and the key actions like edit, etc. that you can do with the survey. The main tabs here correspond to key analytics sections of the survey. Each of them has a filter option at the top that you can use to filter your surveys by round, by team, direct manager, user, question, tenure, etc. So many different filter options that you can apply to this survey. So this filter applies to this particular section. So that if you, for example, want to see just the marketing team, you can do that by selecting the marketing team. Here I don't have data for them. I will select more survey rounds so that I have more data. Okay, on the overview section, you can see the overview average score of the NPS over this time, over this round, as well as historical data over time, how your eNPS changed over time. And the preview of the top questions with the highest scores and how they changed over time, and the top questions with the lowest score and how they changed over time, as well as the question number and number of responses in each of these questions, etc. General overview of the survey. In trends section, you can see, let's also select more survey rounds. You can see the trends of all of the linear scale questions that are present in the survey and their progress over time. Not just the highest or the lowest, but all of them over time, as well as the average for them, so that you can see how each specific question changed over time in your organization, and whether it improved or whether the score improved or declined. The change here indicates the change for the latest round, for example, for the round before and the latest one. What was the change in numbers? As also, you can filter it by team, direct manager, or specific users to see, for example, how the responses of a specific user, like Andrew here, for example, changed over time, and whether it declined or increased. Of course, you will have this data if you have an anonymous review, filter by user. In the responses section, you can see specific responses also by each specific round, with the ability to filter by each user and by each question separately, so that you can see the raw data as in Excel, for example, or CSV, so that in each round, and see all of their text answers, their linear scale questions, checkboxes, or any other data that they submit with this review, also with options to filter by specific people. In the comment section, you can see we gather here all the comments by question, and so that you can monitor, for example, by each round for each question, which users left which comment, so that it's an easier and quick place for you to see all of the comments for particular question, to be able to guide your mood of the organization in this survey. And in the participation rate section, you can see how many users participated in each round, and see here, for example, the trend line over the last three rounds, and as well as the participation score in the last round. And you can also monitor the all invited participants by each round and their status of the survey. Here we can also send them nudge email to remind them to complete the round, or send nudge email to everyone who should participate. Search by each user by name, or as well filter them by response status or by other parameters that are available in the in Plai. Note that you can send nudge only to users only to the latest round, not to all rounds. Hope you find it useful, and good luck with launching this race.